Okay, guys, I hope you enjoy the show. And I really did have a little earthquake, of course. And my TV really did almost fall off my dresser. So,
Whoa!
wow! Dude, the TV almost fell off the counter. Whoa, that was quite an earthquake.
I know! The whole room was shaking!
The whole room was shaking, all right. I was upstairs, and that beautiful glass vase, almost was ready to fall off the dresser.
No shit.
Exactly. Hey, dude, let's turn on the news.
Yeah, let's turn on
yeah.
the news.
There was a little earthquake in North Boomer. 5.1, just in a matter of seconds. My room was shaking so much, my TV almost fell off the cabinet.
Man, you guys felt that earthquake, right?
Of course.
Yeah, that's what I thought. Because my chair, when I was sitting in it, it was spinning around in the room for a second. I could not believe it. All right.
Oh, you know what I just remembered? Luigi?
Yeah, what?
My glass statue! I hope it didn't fall off the counter and
Oh,
break.
jeez, we.
Oh,
Like we. Our lives are more important than that stupid stuff, we.
I think my statue's more important than you.
We. I don't believe you, we. You're evil, we.
Can't you take a joke?
I hope I can believe that, we. How am I supposed to know if you're joking or not, we? We. I was ready to strangle you, we.